Hi friends. Okay, my extended family gave me this Ninja Foodi as my housewarming gift, and I just received it today via Amazon. I think they ordered via Amazon, so I'm very excited because this model is not available here in Singapore. So I think they have bought it from Amazon and have it shipped directly to me. And this one is actually the Ninja Foodi 11-in-1 SmartLid multi-cooker 6-liter OL550 UK. Okay, the box is really very tall, and you can see I'm actually standing at my normal height now, and it's really coming to above my chest level. So it's actually the OL550 UK. So this one is actually the 6-liter 11-in-1 SmartLid. They have another model, but that model is actually I think it's 8-liter or more. So for just my husband and myself, we think that the 6-liter is enough. So they ordered it and shipped to us. Thank you if you are watching this video. Thank you. You know who you are. Thank you. Okay, I'm just going to do unboxing of this OL550 UK and take a look. It's also first time unboxing this model, and let's see what's inside. Yeah. So okay, yeah, they actually ordered from UK Amazon. So let's take a look. Oh yeah, there's a very nice note inside here. Congrats to our new place. Thank you, thank you. You know who you are. You know who you are. Thank you. I'm not going to mention your name. So if you're watching this video, thank you very much for the gift. It's not light, yeah. It's about 13 kg to 14 kg, and in the carton box itself is the actual box of the Ninja Foodi. So I'm just going to put this on the floor so that I can carry out the box itself. Yeah, it's pretty heavy. So okay, just give me a while, guys. I'm going to just carry it out and probably open it up from the floor here because it's easier. It says here 11-in-1 SmartLid multi-cooker. Okay, 11-in-1 SmartLid multi-cooker, yep. And the slide to unlock. Yeah, I'm going to give it a try. Okay, using the SmartLid slider, easy as 1, 2, 3, and then they'll teach you some steps here, but I'm going to open it up. So over here it shows you what it comes with. There's a cooking pot, okay, grease and cook and grease layer inside, and then loaf pan and so on and so forth. So these are probably the accessories. Okay, just going to open this and see. Oh wow, okay, what's this? Okay, oh, in an envelope here. Okay, the envelope has got some warning messages. This one is lifting and the lid and using the smart slider, with some instructions. Okay, very good, very good. And then oh, there is a menu. I would say this is the okay, some recipes here, some recipes in this booklet. Yep, seems like they included some recipes here as well. So not bad, not bad, very good. So like what are the portions? Yeah, okay, this is gonna be really useful. And also the instructions. Okay, so I'm just gonna put one side first, and then okay, open this. I probably can't carry the box and put on top to show you guys, so I'm just going to do it over here next to the table. So after that, if I manage to lift it up and put on here, then we will continue from there. Okay, right. Oh, this eggshell here is really solid. I think it helps to protect the item during shipping. Yep. Okay. So this one, reversible rack. This is the reversible rack. Okay. And in the instructions manual, right, they actually mention what are the items that come inside the box. Yep. And yes, so let me take a look on the next item. Oh wow, pretty heavy, I think. Oh, okay. We'll pull this out first. So it's a 3-pin. So guys, if you guys not sure, I checked already. The UK plug is same as Singapore plug. It's 3-pin plug. Okay, 3-pin plug. And this one. Oh, okay. So here we are. Oh wow. Okay, at least without the box, it's not too bad for me to carry out. It's not too bad for me to carry out without the box. Yeah. So, okay. Now for the next thing, let me see. Okay, they wrap it this way. Yeah. Okay. It's paper wrap. Okay. Just gonna put this back in the box here. Back in the box here like this. Okay. Wow, so cool. Oh, the cable is a bit short, yeah. The cable is a bit short. Yeah. So I'm not too sure whether I can actually put it here and then plug the cable over there. So behind me is actually my kitchen top. So actually I wanted to put it here and then plug over here. So I have to try it out later, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to turn this around so that you guys can see. I'm going to turn this around so you guys can see. Yeah, so this is how the front looks like. Okay, it's not light, yeah. It's 13 kg, so pretty heavy. Yeah, let's go in. I only can see the reversible rack, which is this item. This is the reversible rack, and then the rest of the items most likely is inside. So I'm just going to actually see if I can push this over here to lift up. Okay, and you guys can see here is the inside. Okay, open up the inside, and this one is the crease and cook basket. First layer, crease and cook basket. Okay, so this one should be for the air frying function. Okay, and this one here is the 6L removable cooking pot. Okay, there is this detachable diffuser. So I'm just going to leave it on this item on the basket itself and not take it out. I'm just going to leave it. Yeah, correct. So unless I need to clean it or what. Yeah, so I'm just gonna leave it here. Okay. And detachable diffuser, yeah, it's supposed to be detachable, kind of tight. So I'm not going to take it out for now. And the next item is the 6-liter cooking pot. Okay, so this 6-liter cooking pot here is like, okay, it's like this. It's got the capacity markings on the side. It's got capacity markings on the side here, so it's good. Okay, so I can actually put back like that, put back like this, and this way. Yep, so it's like this. Okay, yeah, okay, so pretty I would say for the current compared to the ones they are selling here in Singapore, this one actually is more I would say it's a little bit taller maybe, and then from the left to right it's actually smaller. So for small kitchen tops, right, probably this would be a good consideration. Yeah, good consideration. So okay, in order to close it, right, just have to push here from the right to back to the left side. So slide all the way to the right again and lift here to open up. Yeah. Okay, guys, so this is the unboxing of the OL550. Yeah, Okay, this rack here is the reversible rack. Let's take a look what's the meaning of reversible rack. Yeah, I think reversible rack means you can use it in both directions. Okay, you can use it both directions, so it can be this way. I know already. So reversible means you can put it in the cooking Ninja Foodi this way in, and or this way. Yeah, so depends on what you want to cook. Yep. Instead of turning it this way itself. Yeah, so this one is like this. So this one is pretty easy to keep because actually you can close it. You can actually make it flat like that. Yeah, so it's not too difficult to keep this piece. Yeah, okay, so hope you enjoyed the unboxing video. And my electricity source is actually quite far away, so I can't really actually plug it in to switch it on. So let's see if I can plug it in. Yeah, nope, I can't plug it in. Here it's too far, so I'm going to see if I can plug in over there. Yep, just have to move to that side. So guys, this is the Ninja Foodi OL550. So hope you guys like the unboxing video. So see you guys in the next video. Okay, see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.